Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to set reminder every month on iPhone. Setting reminders on your iPhone helps you stay mindful and up to date with priorities, events, tasks, and important dates you need to do or attend to. And here are the clear steps to set a monthly reminder on an iPhone. First is to unlock your iPhone, then open the Reminders app. Tap the new reminder or the plus button. Enter a title for your reminder, for example, is the pay bills. Tap the calendar or clock icon or I to open reminder details. Toggle the option Remind Me on a day to toggle on, if there's an option. Then toggle on the date and set a date for your first reminder. Toggle the time to on if you want a specific time. Set the time for the reminder alert. Toggle on urgent. Hit allow if you want to set this to urgent. Then tap repeat. Choose monthly from the repeat options. Optional, you can tap the custom to choose a specific day of the month. Tap add or done or check button on the top right to save the reminder. Check your reminders list to ensure it's set correctly and will repeat monthly. Tip, you can also add notes or location based alerts for extra context. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.